Did you have a radio like this, but bought this one to put in your 4th gen Camaro? Let us show you how. Hello everyone, Crystal here with Screaming Chicken. Today we are going to show you about our 97 to 02 Camaro double din stereo kits. We've actually been out of them for a little bit and we just got some back in, so let's go take a look. Okay, here are the dash kits. And they come with a brand new set of plastic brackets. Okay, and then these brackets attach to the side of your radio like so. And then you just slide it into your dash. And then as you can see, the new dash kit has these nice new clips on them. So the dash kit just clips in like your factory radio does. This dash kit is made specifically for a 97 to 02 Camaro to install a modern double din stereo. It lines up with your factory mounting to install and uninstall easily. There is no modifications necessary. This kit is designed to convert your factory radio opening to the size of today's double din aftermarket radios. You will need to move your vents, clips, and switches from your original trim piece. We are now going to take you out in our shop and show you one that we have installed on a 4th gen Camaro. Okay, let's go. Here is the Camaro that we have it installed on. Okay, let's take a look inside. You can see the new radio installed, and it fits flush and looks like factory. Here are a couple more photos that are up on our website. As you can see, we have a bunch in stock, ready to ship out. All right, y'all, that is all for today on the double din. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to drop them below. We also answer the phone, so you're welcome to give us a call. I will put the number up here on the screen, as well as email us. I'll put that up here. And we are not open on the weekend, so we don't answer the phone, but we do answer emails on the weekend. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions. All kits also do come with instructions as well, but if you get into installing it and have a question, shoot us an email or give us a call. So that's it, and I hope y'all have a great day.